For any two sets A and B, we need to prove the following. Let's begin our proof with the first one. So here in part 1, let's start from the left hand side. We have the set A. We're taking its Cartesian product with the complement of set B union with the complement of the set C, and we take its complement. Now here we're going to apply the De Morgan's law. Now once we apply the De Morgan's law, what we will get here is we'll have to take the complement of the set B. Then union is going to become intersection, and then we'll have to take complement of the set C. This is the De Morgan's law. Now we have a Cartesian product with the complement of a complement that nullifies the effect. So we now have B intersection. So complement of C complement, that's going to be simply C. Now we have already established that where A is going to get distributed with B intersection C. So we're going to get A intersection A Cartesian product with B intersection with A Cartesian product with the set C, which is the expression on the right hand side. Okay, so let's try with number 2. So number 2, on the left hand side, we have the Cartesian product of the set A with the complement of set B intersection with the complement of the set C. So we're going to apply the De Morgan's law. That's going to give us A Cartesian product with B union C. And when we distribute A with B union C, we're going to get A Cartesian product with B union A Cartesian product with C. And this is the expression on the right hand side. So we have successfully verified both of the two problems.